Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Collar Crypto. We're going to take a quick look at the crypto markets, Archangel token, Guardian, see if we got any good information out there. Alright, go to CoinMarketCap to find out the prices of all the magic internet money. Total market cap of all crypto, $1,882 billion. It's up 1.2% on the day. Today's March 21st, it's about 10 p.m. East Coast time. Bitcoin dominance, 41.8%, Ethereum dominance, 18.6%, and Ethereum gas fees right now are 53 GUI. Bitcoin price, 41,493. It's up about 0.5% on the day, and it's up 1% on the day. It's up 7% on the week. Ethereum prices right now, $2,935. It's up 2.5% on the day and 15% on the week. That's impressive. Shiba Inu price, 402319. It's up 1.8% on the day and it's up 6.5% on the week. Algorand token number 29, it's 81.24 cents. It's up 9. Oh, it just changed. It's 81.76 cents and it is up 10.2% on the day and 17% on the week. That's impressive. All the top 38 coins and tokens are up for the day and the week. That's bullish. That makes me want to look at the crypto fear and greed index, which is 26, which is fear. Yesterday was 30, which is fear. Last week, 21, extreme fear. Maybe we're ticking up a little bit on that. If you look at the Archangel token price right now, it's 901513. It's down 0.5% on the day. If we take a closer look at the chart, staying below this upward trending line, I'm going to have to move that. Let me change it. It's gone below it twice and it stayed below it for a little while now, so let me just change it. If we go back to February 24th, that's the bottom of this upward trending line. Touched on the line, I just moved it on March 15th, and I guess technically we're still staying above it. We'll see if it continues on that trend. It's gone below the support line, now it's becoming resistance, so now it has a channel it's going to go up and down in, but we could draw more lines of support. If I draw all those lines, there's going to be 100 lines on this chart, and it's just going to look whack. So over the next few days, we'll just keep an eye on it. See what happens. Hopefully it'll break out and stay above this, or it'll keep following this upward trend line, which will continue to just go up. Second and final round of the Guardian pre-sale begins March 25th at 3 p.m. East Coast time. So if you're on the whitelist for that, make sure you jump in early because that first round sold out and many people missed out. One of the things I'm waiting for on the Guardian platform is Market Watch. Man, you're getting all this news from all these places, and apparently they're working on more news sources. Man, they're going to be a legit news aggregator. I'm excited for that. We were looking at this last night at the Archa Cafe. It's the Archangel token staking pool in each cycle of the staking pool. Right now we're in cycle 1. Every cycle of the staking pool, it seems, is going to have more projects involved in it. Each one of those projects will have a Genesis contribution to the staking pool, which is going to be a huge percentage of their total token supply. And on top of that, there will be reflections from those projects, buys and sells. So when the volume increases a whole bunch, or down the line when it becomes a huge thing, and the entire ecosystem just has tons of extra volume because people are using it, these reflections are going to be a lot, and they're all going to go back to the staking pool. For internal projects of Archangel, like Guardian, Brainstem, Spider, and there's a whole bunch more, there's going to be 2% of the buy and sell transactions goes back to the staking pool. And external projects like Scratch, there'll be 1% of their buy and sell transactions goes to the staking pool. But it's the staking pool for Archangel tokens, so you have to own Archangel tokens and put them in the staking pool, which right now lasts 90 days. You will also get reflections in the staking pool. Not the same as reflections if you just held the tokens in your wallet. That's 2% goes straight to reflections. If you have your tokens in the staking pool, how that gets split up is the multi-sig wallet gets 2% of buy and sell transactions, and 14% of that 2% gets sent back to the staking pool. So when the ecosystem starts to increase and just take off, this is going to be a huge deal right here. Okay, we're going to jump into the news real quick on CoinGecko. Malaysian lawmakers call for Bitcoin legislation. Well, that sounds like it's a positive. What else do we have? New $100 million fund aims to bolster blockchain development in Vietnam. Here's another one. Texas congressman endorses Bitcoin mining for U.S. energy independence. That's from Decrypt, and that's Representative Pete Sessions. Oh, this can't be good. This is from Bitcoin. Fed Chair Jerome Powell hints at aggressive rate hikes after saying inflation is much too high. Dang. Here's an interesting one. Australia eyes sweeping new crypto regulations. We have to read more. All right. The Australian Senator Andrew Breggs has laid down a proposed regulatory framework for the crypto industry. He announces the legislation proposal, whatever it's called, on the Australian Blockchain Week conference. The comprehensive proposal touches on almost every aspect of the crypto industry, and it doesn't look like it's positive. Let's dive into it a little bit deeper. Oh, this is interesting. So Senator Breggs states that the proposed legislation seeks to protect crypto consumers against malicious operators. That sounds real helpful. It will reform crypto market licensing, debanking, I don't even know what that is, taxing, decentralized autonomous organizations, and custody. What's he got against DAOs? Oh, he specifically mentioned DAOs, which have become more popular recently. According to him, DAOs pose, quote, an existential threat to the tax base, quote. It doesn't really talk about what the taxes are or what the changes are in the legislation. Yeah, there's not too much information in here except it does say Australia's parliament also wants more regulation. It doesn't really talk about details of the regulations, except that he fears DAOs because they skirt taxes. Whatever, dude. Hey, here's another one. Malaysian ministry wants NFTs legalized. Does that mean that they're illegal now? Probably. Malaysian ministry we're not even going to read all that because it's crazy. Hold on a sec. Let's get to the meat of it. Deputy Communications and Multimedia Minister was asked in the lower house of Malaysia's parliament about the government's position on NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which have become increasingly popular, particularly among younger generations. He replied, quote, we hope the government will allow and legalize this so that we can increase the uptake of cryptocurrencies, end quote. Well, that's cool. I guess it's banned now and they're going to try to unban it, but that's it. Oh, that's right. We got to read this. This can't be good. Meanwhile, Malaysia has been cracking down on illegal cryptocurrency mining activities. In December, the Malaysian police shut down a crypto mining operation and seized 1,720 Bitcoin mining machines in an electricity theft crackdown. Damn you, electricity thieves. In July last year, the authorities destroyed over 1,000 Bitcoin mining machines with a steamroller. Dang. Are you serious? That's a lot of money you're rolling over. Dang. On that note, that's kind of depressing. Maybe I'll just shut this crap down. Oh, but here's one more. I like this one. I don't know if it's legit. This is from Brave New Coin 2 hours ago. The SKTL space token. Let's learn more. Cody Willard, an American investor and hedge fund manager and ex-anchor of the Fox News Business Network, is a co-founder of SKTL's Sky's the Limit. Let's just call it that from now on because it's easier. The Sky's the Limit token will be airdropped free of charge to U.S. and Canadians on May 6th, Space Day 2022. We got to read more. Okay, Morgan Stanley predicts that the global space industry could surpass a total value of $1 trillion by 2040. All right, cool. Oh, here's some more information. The Sky's the Limit cryptocurrency is held in units of SKTLs by enthusiasts who are optimistic about the space revolution and are rewarded with new tokens every time the space economy advances. Half of the Sky's the Limit tokens is donated to pay for space debris cleanup. Complete transparency, no central control after token launch. Pun intended. Haha, funny. No founder tokens. The end goal of Sky's the Limit is to become a de facto standard currency for outer space and Mars. Interesting. A total of 200 million tokens will be created for the initial and only airdrop. Airdrop 100 million tokens to anybody who enters their wallet information blindly, and we don't collect their information, into the Etherscan network before the airdrop on a pro rata basis. Airdrop 100 million tokens to Space Cleaning Fund, which is controlled by holders of Sky's the Limit tokens on a pro rata basis. The token will start trading on several smaller exchanges immediately, and people, including founders, will go out and start bidding for these tokens on these exchanges, setting up price. And a whole bunch going on. Oh, the total number of Sky's the Limit tokens that will ever be created will be topped out at 300 million Skittle tokens. Let's just call it that. It goes into more detail, and if you want to I don't know. On here, you could click up for sign up for the airdrop. Seems legit. That's it for the news. And that's it for the updates for crypto market and Archangel and Guardian. So Guardian round 2 pre-sale is on Friday. If you're on the whitelist, don't forget to get in on that, or you're going to miss out. The other one closed in 4 hours. It was supposed to be open for 5 days. I mean, it was slated to be open for 5 days, but it sold out in 4 hours. That's ridiculously fast. If there's less amount of tokens on round 2, it'll probably go just as fast. We'll have to watch that on Friday and see what happens. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.
Good day, sir!